Today's episode is about one of the most important ideas of all. Most people think success with walking is about motivation, discipline, time. It's not. Here's the real framework, okay? It's your beliefs, your thoughts, your feelings, your actions, the results you get, and then repeat the process. And most people skip the first and most important step, and that is your beliefs. So what is a belief? Now, a belief is not just something you think about. A belief is something you've accepted as true about yourself, often without questioning it. It's that story you've repeated so many times that it now feels like a fact. Beliefs show up as statements like, I'm not consistent. I always quit. I don't have the time. I'm too far gone. I'm just not a fitness person. Now, those aren't facts. They're learned patterns. Built from past experiences, they're reinforced over time and repeated until they feel permanent. Now, this matters because once a belief is in place, it drives everything that follows. Okay? Your thoughts, why bother? Your feelings, frustration, doubt, overwhelm. Your actions, delay, avoidance, inconsistency, procrastination. And your results, well, then there's no progress. And then your beliefs get reinforced. This is why people stay stuck for years. Not because they can't walk, but because they believe they can't stay consistent with walking. And that belief quietly controls their decisions every single day. So if you want to change your results, you don't start with motivation. You start by becoming aware of the belief that's driving everything. Here are why beliefs are so powerful. Your beliefs are not just ideas. They are instructions. They tell your brain what's possible, what's not, what you're capable of, and what you'll avoid. So, if your belief is, I'm not someone who sticks to a walking or fitness habit, then your brain will create doubt, lower effort, justify quitting. And then what happens? You prove the belief is true. Now let me show you something even deeper. It's the loop that keeps people stuck. Because this doesn't just apply to walking, it applies to every area of your life, whether it's recovery, weight loss, fitness, building confidence, even relationships. Here's the loop again. Beliefs lead to the thoughts, lead to the feelings, lead to the actions, lead to the results, and then reinforce the beliefs. This is the pattern that keeps people stuck. Not for days, not for weeks, but for years. Now, before we go deeper, I want to give you something simple you can use right away. Go to the link below this episode and download the 5-minute walking kickstart. It's a simple way to start walking today, even if you don't feel ready. Because what we're talking about today isn't about doing more, it's about starting. And this gives you a clear, simple way to take that first step.